Thanks for tuning in. In this video, I'm going to be demonstrating a taper tutorial. Right here, I'm going ahead and doing a rough draft of my shape up, and this will also help me keep the parameters of my taper. And right here, I'm going to go ahead and bald him out. The next step is to take the 1.5 guard and go up into the bulk of the hair. And the lever is fully closed. Next, I'm going to take the clipper with the lever fully open, and I'm only using half of the blade, and I'm making me a guideline. Now I fully close the lever, and I'm going to gradually open it as I go up. And be sure to comb after every few strokes. And remember, a taper is just like a fade, you're just doing it in a smaller space. See how I gradually open up the lever. Now in this tutorial, I'm going to skip using the half guard because you don't necessarily need it in all situations. So here I have on the number 1 guard, and the lever is fully closed. Now I open it halfway, and then I fully open the lever. And as you can see, his hair is tightly coiled, so on certain textures you may have to go over the hair over and over. Now with the 1 guard, I'm going with the grain to smooth the hair down. And at this point, I'm going to take the clipper with no guard on, and I'm going to use the corner of the blade to detail out any dark spots that I see. And this is why I don't need the half guard, because I'm just using the corner of the blade to detail. Now I'm going to move on to the edge up. Keep everything as close to the eyebrow as possible. And then here we go back and refine the arch. Using the corner of the blade, etching like a pencil. And now when we're lining the side, especially around the ear, you don't want to over exaggerate it, keep it as natural as possible. See, with this arch, I'm only using a few teeth of the blade. And then here you see me also using the corner of the blade to get rid of any dark spots. This is just refining the haircut. Here I have on the number 1 guard, and I'm just smoothing down the front taper. And now we're going to start in the middle and go left or right. Whichever side you go to first, just make sure that you match the other side. As always, a good rule of thumb, you don't want to go just digging into anyone's line, but you also have to take hair off, especially if you're trying to get the hair even and symmetrical. Just remember, whatever you do to one side, make sure that you do it to the other side. That way you will get consistent results. Well, that's going to do it for this video. If you got value, be sure to hit that like button, and if you're new, please subscribe.